The excitement around the Google Pixel 10 lineup is growing rapidly, with new leaks dropping almost daily. From upgraded specs to sleek designs, the latest reveal focuses on official pricing for the US and Canadian markets, and there's a subtle shift that buyers should watch out for. MoneyWithWings Pixel 10 pricing: no official hike, but a hidden increase. Google hasn't technically raised prices across the board, but the Pixel 10 Pro XL will feel more expensive this year. That's because the 128GB base model has been removed, and the Pro XL now starts at 256GB, meaning users looking for the lowest cost option will have to pay more. Here's a breakdown of the pricing. 128GB storage. Pixel 10, $799/$1,099 Canadian dollars. Pixel 10 Pro, $999/$1,349 Canadian dollars. Pixel 10 Pro XL, not available. Pixel 10 Pro Fold, not available. 256GB storage. Pixel 10, $899/$1,229 Canadian dollars. Pixel 10 Pro, $1,099/$1,479 Canadian dollars. Pixel 10 Pro XL, $1,199/$1,629 Canadian dollars. Pixel 10 Pro Fold, $1,799/$2,399 Canadian dollars. 512GB storage. Pixel 10, not available. Pixel 10 Pro, $1,219/$1,649 Canadian dollars. Pixel 10 Pro XL, $1,319/$1,799 Canadian dollars. Pixel 10 Pro Fold, $1,919/$2,569 Canadian dollars. 1TB storage. Pixel 10, not available. Pixel 10 Pro, $1,449/$1,949 Canadian dollars. Pixel 10 Pro XL, $1,549/$2,099 Canadian dollars. Pixel 10 Pro Fold, $2,149/$2,869 Canadian dollars. Wrapped gift-free subscriptions with every purchase. Google is adding extra value with free premium services bundled with each Pixel 10 device. Pixel 10 buyers will receive 6 months of Google AI Pro, 6 months of Fitbit Premium, 3 months of YouTube Premium. Pixel 10 Pro, Pro XL, and Fold buyers get 1 full year of Google AI Pro. Same Fitbit and YouTube Premium benefits. Tear off calendar launch timeline: what to expect. Last year, the Pixel 9 series launched on August 13th, with pre-orders and shipping staggered through late August and early September. If Google follows a similar schedule in 2025, pre-orders may begin on August 20, 2025. Open sales likely start around August 29, 2025. Pixel Watch 4 and Pixel Buds 2a are expected to launch alongside the new phones.